Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we're going to be talking about exactly how you can add money to your Hugosway account using CashApp. Right now, CashApp is always changing, and I'm going to show you exactly now you can do this, right? So if you don't have Bitcoin purchased already, I'm going to show you how you can do that using CashApp, right? So the first thing you want to do is press the bottom right icon, which shows the Bitcoin icon, right? And then you want to press buy. It's going to give you a few options. There's a buy option, a sell option, and a send option. So you want to press buy. You want to type in how much Bitcoin you want to buy, right? Then you want to use your pin or do whatever you do to actually move forward. And as you can see, I'm about to purchase $2 worth of Bitcoin. You can see that it's going to take a small transaction fee out of the account. But you just want to press confirm. It'll show you the amount of Bitcoin, at the top, the exchange rate, and what you're buying. So you press confirm. And as you can see, it'll say you have purchased such and such amount of Bitcoin, right? So now I'm going to show you exactly how you can send it to your Hugosway wallet. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to my Hugosway. You should already be logged in. If not, you want to log in. And then there's going to be 3 lines at the top left of the screen, no matter whether you're on PC or the phone, and you want to press deposit funds, right? So it's going to bring you to a screen. As you can see, I've made deposits before. You want to press select wallet. You want to choose the currency that you're using. I'm using the US dollar, so I'm going to use US dollar. Select the type. We are using Bitcoin, so not Bitcoin with Instacoin, but the 4th option, okay? And then we're going to type in how much we're going to deposit. It doesn't have to be exact, but it should be exact, okay? If it isn't, it will still go through. So I'm going to put $100. Press proceed, and as you can see, it's going to give me a wallet to copy and send money to, right? So we're going to copy that address right now. Copy. We're going to go back to the Cash App screen, and we're going to actually press the 3rd option instead. Now, when you press this, you may have to enable withdrawals and transactions. It's going to ask you a few questions and ask you to upload an ID. And when you get confirmed to make transactions, come back to this part of the video if you have not done that already. Now you have an option to send Bitcoin, and you can either do it this way with the Bitcoin and type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, but that's confusing for some people. So if you want to do a specific dollar amount, you can press the icon right under the Bitcoin icon and change it to dollars. So you can type in $100, right? And it'll change it for you. But me, I'm trying to send this whole thing, so I'm going to do it this way and type in the number that's up there. And as you can see, I'm about to send 102.13. That's how much Bitcoin I have. And we already copied the address, so you can hold, press paste, or press the external address right there. And once you're done with that, add it, hold on, because it copied it twice. Ooh. All right. External address, and then press next. Use the pin. And then you have a few options. You have priority, rise in 10 minutes, rush, rise in 2 hours. It is standard, which will rise in 24 hours. Now, this is up to you. Personally, I don't mind taking 24 cents out of my transaction of Bitcoin to my Hugosway wallet. So I'm just going to use the priority and press next. Now it's going to say I have an insufficient amount, but it's just because it takes a fee, like I said, the 26 cents out of what I was already using, right? So we're just going to press confirm and send and continue. Now you have initiated a transaction, and it will come through. It will go exactly to this address. Now you have to give it time to go through, obviously. Helped you. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notifications. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share, comment, and I'll drop a link for you in the description.